The boy went on a trip to Yunnan without buying anything but spent one. I bought this seemingly inconspicuous rotten tree root for 200 yuan, and everyone was talking a lot. Some people thought his head was watered, and some people were skeptical about his purchase, thinking the wood wasn't worth the price. But none of this can stop the young man's firm belief that he knows this piece of wood has infinite potential and is waiting for his skillful processing. The uncle who sells wood steals it secretly. I didn't expect this piece to look like the humble rotten tree root sold for a good price. Money really killed a carousel. Uncle may think he made a fortune and sold it. It's not easy for a lad to get a lot of money for a worthless piece of wood. The family was violently scolded by his wife, and his wife's mouth was about to swell. In the early morning of the young man, determined, he knew that the potential of this wood was not influenced by the ridicule of others. It took him 8 days of hard work to turn this rotten tree root into a work that amazed everyone. The appearance of the finished product is simply amazing. Everyone was impressed by his creative talent and praised his works of art. What was even more surprising was that I put it online. Soon, there will be collectors willing to pay 150,000. Purchasing it all made his wife very happy. And not only that, he praised his craft, and he kept bringing him tea and water. So let's take a look. How on earth did this young man turn this seemingly worthless rotten tree root into a treasure worth 150,000 yuan? Yes, this process will absolutely take your breath away. Among our funk appear, drink from the people to live again. Gather control shall lead you. And hold on one pale fire. Walk against some pioneer. Deep into tomorrow's heart. Don't give a savior a young girl. Don't want to do, even though Oh, hello. Oh, hello. As the old saying goes, praise is for diligence. The approval is not. Praise is respect for duty. This rural guy uses his creativity through his hard work and craftsmanship to create amazing works. He is like a magician who transforms ordinary materials into masterpieces of art. That's the best compliment to his ingenuity. Now that you're here, why don't you give him credit for his efforts and creations? Your encouragement will become his motivation to keep going.